Hey everybody, I wanted to start out tonight by telling some stories, and one of the stories I'll tell tonight is about when I was a little boy and my mother had gotten both me and my sister pet hamsters, little golden hamsters, and she named hers Nippy and I named mine Tippy. And one day I had Renee's hamster, my sister, on the bed, and I was playing with it across the bedspread. It was all spread out nice and flat, and the pillows at the top tucked under with the blanket over it. And it was just on a nice flat bedspread crawling around, and I was playing with the hamster. Well, at the same time, the dog was in the house, and he was under the bed. And I lost interest in the hamster and started playing with the dog under the bed. And I was swinging my arms and touching the bed rail and swatting at his head. And he'd duck under and I'd swat at him again. And it was a fun game. So I reached up to the top of the bed and grabbed a pillow and started slinging the pillow at the dog. Sling, sling. And I heard ting, ting every time I slung the pillow. Like there was this sound. And I looked and held the pillow up, and there's a spot of blood at the bottom of the pillow. And I was like, oh my God, what is this? And I reached in the pillow and pulled out the hamster, and it was my sister's hamster. And it was like, and his teeth were crooked, and there's blood coming out. And I didn't know what to do. I lost my breath, and I screamed, and I cried, and I didn't know how to explain this, but everybody ran into the room, and I was crying, and I was holding this bloody hamster in my hand. And my mother asked me what happened, and I said I dropped it. They had to take me to it. I did. I killed it. And they had to take me to the bathroom, stick my head under the faucet, under the cold water, because I was crying so hard. And I never told anybody that story until later. But yes, I killed my sister's hamster when I was a little boy. Good night.